Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a new website. It's called TD Ameritrade, and it's a brokerage firm and online trading platform that allows individuals to buy and sell various financial instruments, including stocks, bond, mutual funds, option, and futures. So to get started with TD Ameritrade, you need just to simply head on over to TD Ameritrade on Google or any other browser that you prefer. And like you see with me here, this is all the results I have after my search. I have the official sites over here: TD Ameritrade online stock trading, investing, and brokerage. And also I have their application on Google and some similar websites like see me here, the Bankrate and Mspedia. We need to get into the official site, that means the first one. Let's click on it. And for the trading tools and the platform on TD Ameritrade offers a variety of trading platforms to cater or to cater to different type of trader, including the web-based platform, Thinkorswim, and the mobile app TD Ameritrade Mobile Trader. And this platform provides advanced cartoon technical analysis tools. So this is the interface page or the home page for the website. You see with me here, it's containing all the information that you need to know. We will come back to it later to see the different key features of it. We need first to try to create a new account to start using this website over here. And to do that, you need just to go over here and click on open new account. So here are some information that we need to give them. We need first to select account. We have the most common, junior or minor, retirements, education saving, business trusts, and others. Let's try to just click on individual. You can just select what you want. This is independent to you and your work. So let's select the individual. And after that, we need to click to this green button over here, open an individual account. So this is the different steps that we need to complete to create the account successfully. Okay, first let's try to answer this question over here. Welcome, let's open an individual account. What you need, let's answer. Social security number of ITIN or foreign task ID, passport or visa number if you're not an US citizen or permanent resident, and your employer's name, address, and phone numbers. So let's start answer. Prefix is optional. You can just select from here the answer. Are you a Mr., Mrs., Miss? Okay, let's just click on this one. We need to enter the first name. The middle name, it's optional. I don't have one, so I will just skip it. And the last name. Then the suffix is also optional. And email that we use regularly. And for the country, you need to just select the answer. We have here the different countries. It's already in United States. And the other question, we have the street address that where we live. Okay, you need just to write it. It's obligatory. And be careful because this information should be correct and valuable, because they will check out your answers later. And for the questions here, you need just to select the APT or SCA or the BLG. It's optional to answer or just skip it. And the city that you live in, over here, it's obligatory. And you need to select the states over here. We have different states. And also you need to enter the zip code or the postal code for your city or the province. Then you need to click to this button over here. Use a different mailing address such as post office box if you want that. If don't you want that, just don't click there. And for the number, your phone number, you need to enter it over here. It's obligatory and need to be valuable because they will contact you on your phone number. And then you need to click on this button here that you have no US phone number if you don't have one. And if that was a mobile number, you will choose that yes. If it wasn't, you will choose no. For the mobile number that you write in this search bar here. And then you need to click on this button here that you have read the TD Ameritrade privacy statement. It's obligatory to click on it. So now I complete the following information over here, and I need just to click on this green button to go to the next step. That means this one here, the personal information. I will not create a real account. I will just show you how to do that and the different information that you need to enter. So, hi Susan, tell us more about you. The date of birth, you need to enter it over here. The month. Then are you a US citizen? If you are a US citizen, you will just click on yes. If you aren't, you will just click on no. Then the following question, that are you also a citizen of another country? Okay, you need to click yes if this is right and to click no if this is wrong. Then we have here the US Social Security number or ITN. You need just to write it over here. Then you have this question here about the employment state. You need just to select the answer. And we have here to choose one from these two answers. How do you plan to use the account? Are you use it for common investment transaction or including stocks, bond, option, ETFs and mutual funds, or are you use it for the advanced trading of futures and or forex in addition to common transaction? Okay, you need just to select the right answer for you. I will just let it on the first one for the common investment transactions. And excuse me, yeah, and after that you need just to click to the green button to go to the next step. The third step will be the financial informations. Okay, I cannot just do this because I'm not creating a real account for the websites because I don't use it. I just show you how to do that. You need just to do your financial information right here for the annual income and the net worth. You need to select the right the right answer, excuse me, for you. And for the liquid net worth, you need to select what you want. I will just let it on the first choice. Then what is the source of funds for your initial deposits? Like example, let's choose 7. You need to choose just the right answer for you. There is a lot of choices. And for the other question, it's what is the source of funds for ongoing deposits. Let's make it the same. Then are you or is your spouse or is any member of your immediate family living in the same household licensed by, employed by, or associated with a broker dealer firm a financial service a regulator, a securities exchange, or a member of a security exchange, you need just to select yes or no over here. If you select yes, you need to answer this following question here about who is living with you in the same household licensed by or the employed by. If you select no, you will just pass very simply. Then this following questions here is, are you or your spouse or any member of your immediate family a member of the board of directors, a 10% shareholder, or a policy making officer of a publicity or publicly trader company? Okay, let's just click on no because I don't have anyone like that. So for the following information, that where do you want your cash held when it's invested? Do you want it on the FDIC insured deposit account at one or more banks, or do you want it on your brokerage account that where it is protected by SIPC? You will just choose what you want, and then you will click on the green button to pass to the next step about the reviews. Like you see me here, the review need just to read over here, because if you want to edit any information, you are free to do that. You need to get sure that the information is valuable and correct, then click on continue if it's if everything was right. Something is wrong, you can just edit it from here. We have the name, the taxpayer identification number, and the street address, and you need to click on submit to edit the informations. So after the creating account, this is the website with me over here. And let me tell you that the DT Trader, it offers to you the research and education TD, and provides extensive research and educational research to help investor make an informed decision. They offer market analysis, news, and commentary from industry experts, as well as educational content such as webinars, videos, articles, and tutorials on topics ranging from basic investing concepts to advanced trading strategies. So this is how to create an account on TD Ameritrade. I hope you guys understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me for seeing more videos like these. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites. I hope you still in good health until that time.